Oh.
Everybody act happy. Oh, it's horrible. Have any of you guys had grapefruit?
Yeah.
It's like the devil's fruit.
Was before it had a big old curvature in it, right? Yeah. Now we've got that back into straight. You know, I feel like I'm dying here. There we go. Now we're starting to get somewhere. Somebody else want to do that? Okay, so that's a pretty even heat.
So when do you need to heal something?
If you want to machine it or allow the grain structures to completely read. Oh yeah, that's harder than woodpecker lips.
The young smith honing his blade, eager for the competition.
Cordell! Alright kids, bring your knives on in. Let's have our little contest. I don't know if you guys know this, but Emilio made his modeled off of the unicorn that he used to ride. That doesn't do it. Oh, my aim sucks. And Seven Hammer, you really helped him.
I guess if the video ends up getting sponsored, maybe somebody will send you something.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
What, 3 days? No, actually, only 1 day to make this knife, huh? Was it fun?
Amazing.
All right. Well, I guess back to work.
How's stuff going this week?
It's going good.
It's good. So is it getting easier?
Yeah.
Have you felt yourself improve the last couple
Oh,
weeks?
definitely. Yeah.
It's frustrating at times, and then it releases for a while, and you're like, I can do this, and then you're like, I can't do this, and you're like, I can do this.
So there wasn't a moment of triumph this week?
No, there was
Finding
never.
clips.
No moment of triumph. I did make a couple good clips, though.
It's a moment of triumph.
Yeah. You know, clips we're starting to get a little bit better. Worked a lot on those, but shaping is still a process that I'm really having a hard time with.
You almost made their tops.
I almost until I burned them up.
Do you realize how few people can make tops? 2 weeks old.
I guess that's pretty cool. I have 2 weeks now in between, so I'm staying here. So I'm gonna practice in the forge and study. Do anything I can to make the 8 weeks go by a little smoother. Cody was talking to us today about class and how stressful it is, and preparing and working hard, and that's quite overwhelming.
Are you nervous?
I'm very. He made me more nervous today.
It's gonna be hard, and there's gonna be times where you want to end early, but you just gotta push through it.
You want to say to the new class coming? Because a lot of them are probably watching this right now.
Watch who you talk to. You never know what might be put on camera. I learned the hard way.
Yes, sorry, I had a mouth.
And he also, I was showing you no mercy. You probably the best